Hello mga guys. We are cooking native chicken fresh from the farm. We're gonna remove the pan. Start getting it. Alam mo yan, that is the fat. Hindi yun. This is not healthy.
Limok na mo siguro data.
Hindi siya healthy, guys. We're gonna put some asin. Ayan, salt. Kurang garod. Let's put another salt. Ayan. Tapos lagyan natin ng magi-magi sarap. Sabi mo ito magic sarap, hindi mo nakalukot.
Kaya, madi magtinag di karga na.
Narigel.
Kaya tiblok na. Magic tiblok.
It's gonna make it. Gonna mix it well. Okay. Just wait a few minutes. And let's wait the brick, the wushik. Let's just wait a few minutes and let's just put this malunggay. Okay, it's now brick. Okay, and then gonna wait a few minutes until it cook. Okay, ito na guys, after a few minutes I think it's cooked. It's already cooked. Alright, it's cooked na.